Hi friends, are you ready to dive into an episode where every innovation is a small, or even big, miracle? We bring you the coolest, most useful, and unexpected technologies. Who knows, maybe they will change our lives. Sony specialists teamed up with game developers from Naughty Dog and VFX experts from Pixelmondo, and together gave the entertainment industry a big push. Have you ever dreamed of stepping into a video game? Now it's possible. The latest technology lets you personally explore locations in a game universe, shoot enemies with maximum realism, and even smell dangers thanks to Sony's patented tensor valve technology. Sony also works on weight-shifting versatile controllers. Thanks to special movable parts, they deliver maximum realism for actions like archery and sword fighting. iMic 3D is a microscope that outputs 3D images in real time. Admire ants like never before. Price $2,000. Free Power is a wireless charger that can be built into furniture, such as sinks made of natural or artificial stone and wooden countertops. Active Cockpit addresses the dangers of car collisions, where overloads can reach 30 G. Such forces are extremely hazardous to the human body and can damage brain tissue. The Active Cockpit cabin rotates like a giant hamster wheel, dispersing the forces and reducing the risk of injury. Unitree G1 Robodogs from Boston Dynamics are yesterday's news. Meet the Unitree G1, a bipedal robot that is the first in the world to perform a side flip. It can also participate in Kung Fu Bot game and is precise enough to work on a production line. Battery life 2 hours. Price starts at $16,000. Johns Hopkins University unveiled a new bionic prosthesis. It has sensors that detect not only texture but also the density of objects. Its precision allows it to handle both delicate and heavy items reliably without excessive force. Robot Lena maintains ice arenas. It keeps zones along the boards in perfect condition, relying on laser measurements to ensure precise cutting and flooding. At Atmos Space Cargo, everything's ready for operation. The company has agreements with the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration to launch reusable space capsules. The first-generation capsules can carry 100 kilos, with future versions capable of much more. Projects like these advance logistics and make cargo space travel a reality. In addition to the capsules, structures like the Think Platform 3 from Think Orbital will also be flying above us. In orbit, the Think Platform 3 can transform into a space station 4 times the size of the ISS. Spherical modules with a diameter of 20 meters are designed to accommodate 40 people each. There will be space for both scientists and tourists. Zefalto. Designed for luxury stratospheric adventures, it rises to about 25 kilometers, seats 6 people, and offers 6 unforgettable hours with breathtaking views, plus a bar, restroom, and sofas. Go engineer 3D printed ski boots. Many think 3D printing is just for figurines, but today's materials and technology allow us to print ski boots. The video shows them being tested. High durability is achieved with SA powder fusion technology. In Japan, they developed a drone called Hagamosphere that can fly and roll on the floor like a ball. The patented algorithm simultaneously controls all 8 drone rotors. How would you use the Hagamosphere? Share your ideas in the comments. EPFL fiber-like pumps. In Switzerland, engineers developed tubes that move non-conductive liquids without a pump. The trick lies in copper threads. When voltage is applied, the liquid moves due to ionization. The tubes are powered by a palm-sized power unit and can be used, for example, in advanced heated or cooled clothing. Developers of WeCool designed a vest with 2 fans that reduces temperature by 20 degrees Celsius in just 1 minute. The device is lightweight at only 430 grams and is powered by an external 10,000 mAh battery. Price is only $89. VR epidermal patch. A new tactile patch developed in the USA stimulates the skin, transmitting complex sensations like vibration, pressure, and twisting. It's useful for VR gadgets and medical applications. For instance, it helps visually impaired people navigate spaces more confidently. Known for smartphones, Oppo also produces smart glasses. The Airglass model has a built-in microprojector and can be controlled by voice, touch, or head movements. It has weight only 30 grams. It is one of the lightest smart glasses in the industry. Big Screen Beyond 2. These VR glasses sell for $1,481 and weigh just 107 grams. Despite their small size, they deliver an immersive experience comparable to larger models. Big Screen Beyond 2 features over 13 million pixels, a resolution of 5120x2560, and pancake lenses that provide 3 times sharper clarity than many competitors. The Tesla Powerwall 3 home energy system weighs 130 kilograms, stores 13.5 kilowatt hours. The device works even when installed at a depth of up to 60 centimeters, so it can be hidden even in an aquarium. Musk and his team really know how to amaze. Floating office. The floating office desk is perfect for remote workers or small apartment owners. It allows precise adjustment for sitting or standing work, and at the end of the day, it rises to the ceiling, freeing up space. Waves 4. Power. The world's oceans hide 990 times more energy than the planet needs. How can we harness this natural power? Waves 4 Power offers buoys that convert wave motion into electricity using a hydraulic system. The potential is enormous, and the company plans to deploy buoy arrays with a total capacity of over 100 megawatts. The SubPack is a wearable subwoofer. You wear it like a backpack and feel the sound through your body. It projects low-frequency sound waves from almost any source, TV, smartphone, or other device. There are no crossovers in the subwoofer, as developers trust the user's brain to separate low, mid, and high frequencies. Pave Robotics Tracer. Tracer is the world's first fully autonomous asphalt repair robot. It operates cheaper than human crews, running around the clock to detect, clean, and fill cracks, while also collecting road surface data. ZZZN Sleep Apparel System. In Japan, they developed a sleeping jacket that lets you nap anywhere. It's as cozy as a blanket, and built-in speakers and LED sunset simulation lights help you rest even in noisy locations like train stations or subway cars. Microsoft engineers created the Majorana 1 quantum chip using a new material called a topological conductor. In short, we are on the brink of a quantum computing revolution, with the potential for fully functional models in just a few years. Fluid Logic GPR50. The GPR50 is the world's only smart hydrator. It monitors both the user and the environment, then decides how much water to dispense and when. It alerts the user at the right moment, and a simple button press is all that's needed to drink. Price: $479. Regent Viceroy Sea Glider. Sea trials are underway for the Viceroy, the world's largest electric ground effect vehicle. The passenger version seats 12 people. The cargo version carries 1.6 tons. Viceroy has a flight range of 290 kilometers and a top speed of 290 kilometers per hour. It has already attracted interest from companies in the US, Europe, and Asia. The Parky robot parks cars automatically, fitting approximately 30% more vehicles into a typical parking lot. Car retrieval can be pre-ordered via a mobile app. Back Buddy Exosuit. Crowdfunding on Kickstarter offers an exoskeleton for $385. It reduces spinal load and pressure, supports the lower back, and helps maintain proper posture. Lifting a barbell while lying down is not only physically but also psychologically challenging. Fear of the weight dropping on your chest is real. The Max Bench addresses this. When you press a pedal, it smoothly lowers the bar, allowing you to safely return it to the rack. Price: $2,500. The Pheno toothbrush cleans teeth in just 20 seconds. To achieve this, users measure their jaw to select the right size. The brush has 18,000 bristles that deliver 250 strokes per tooth in 20 seconds. Price: $368. The Neo Gamma robot is designed to be friendly, but it also handles routine tasks, from making tea to washing windows. Thanks to neural network algorithms, it efficiently adapts to new and unfamiliar environments from the first minutes. In London, a team developed edible packaging called Not Plop. Made from seaweed, it's suitable for drinks and food. A curious innovation, especially for fast food. Priwatt Film Smart Glass Technologies presents an innovative liquid crystal film that instantly turns windows and doors from transparent to opaque and back. The Cybereth IK system tracks human motion and transfers it to virtual environments. It supports Unity and Steam VR, and avatar calibration takes only seconds. Sense Robot Chess. The dance robot plays chess, checkers, and backgammon. It uses AI algorithms to adapt to the player's skill level without overwhelming beginners. Experienced players can enjoy the remote play mode, allowing real players worldwide to connect with Sense Robot. The Neutron is a reusable carbon fiber rocket designed to carry people and cargo for orbital and interplanetary missions. It has a payload capacity of 13 tons and runs on liquid hydrogen and methane. The Stingray system uses a green laser to remove parasites from fish from a distance of about 2 meters. Underwater cyberpunk at its finest. Parsec Aero Pro. Weighing 7 kilograms with a carbon fiber deck, it reaches speeds up to 43 kilometers per hour with a range of 23 kilometers. Price, $1,400. The FX10 from Markforged is the world's first printer capable of printing with both metal and composite materials. Causal chambers. At ETH Zurich, engineers developed mini chambers for testing AI algorithms. These intermediate setups bridge the gap between virtual simulations and real-world tasks, helping assess algorithm performance in variable conditions. Consulting a doctor has become as simple as visiting a kiosk. The OnMed kiosk provides remote consultations in just 15 minutes and, if necessary, supplies required medication. It's compact enough for shopping malls and airports and allows doctors to perform visual exams and measure vital signs like blood pressure. Shooting enthusiasts, aim for the like button. The Claymore Pull Pup launches clay targets up to 50 meters in a compact portable design. Price, $70. Villiger Lift-O-Mat. The Lift-O-Mat is a lift for trash bins, moving them underground to eliminate odors and reduce animal interference. Sikorsky Aircraft successfully tested a UAV that transitions from helicopter to airplane mode. It reached a cruise speed of 159 kilometers per hour and showed excellent scalability potential. Chill Shark. What could be better than lying in a bathtub, especially when the water is just 3 degrees Celsius? Celebrities like Lady Gaga use such baths to recover after concerts, and Liam Hemsworth has used them for relaxation. This cooling unit costs $3,000. The Heated Doghouse. Made from durable, eco-friendly HDP plastic, it assembles in under a minute without tools and features a heating function. Price: $348. Coworko Multi-Float. Multi-Float supports cables, hoses, and pipes. Made from chemically resistant polymer, it accommodates pipes up to 1.6 meters in diameter in the top model. Pika Pelican Cargo Unveil. Pika leads the autonomous electric aviation market with Pelican Cargo. This drone flies 322 kilometers and carries up to 181 kilograms of cargo. Integrate the immersive system into your sofa to feel vibrations synced with games and movies. Price: $194. Pixel Mug P1, the world's first smart mug with AI and a display showing temperature reminders, mini games, and other content. It connects to Wi-Fi. Price: $59. Hyundai Automatic Charging Robot. The ACR robot inserts charging cables into electric vehicles automatically, even in the dark, using camera tracking. We Ride RoboVan W5. Designed for dense urban traffic, it travels 220 kilometers while carrying a 1-ton payload. InMotion V9. The V9 is the first certified unicycle in the world, weighing 23.5 kilograms with suspension, a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour, and a 60-kilometer range per charge. Price: $1,774. Terra Prime. A stylish electric moped built on a chromoly frame, reaching 105 kilometers per hour and traveling 113 kilometers per charge. Flying Sun. A drone with 300,000 lumens to illuminate tens of thousands of square meters. Many sellers consider this Dyson hairdryer to be the best. Technical excellence. Take, for example, the attachments with RFID chips, for which the hairdryer immediately sets the necessary parameters. And what do you think about the blockage? You won't be able to turn on the hairdryer by accident. And of course, attention, a decent long cable and negative ions, performed by Supersonic. The professional HD18 hairdryer costs $524. The automated shoe steamer saves time and cleaning products, eliminates odors, and works on sneakers or leather shoes. Price: $460. Nautilus Kona. This drone flies 1,667 kilometers, delivers 3.8 tons of cargo, and can use conventional jet fuel or eco-friendly alternative fuel. Dutch automaker Donkervoort revealed its new lightweight sports car, the P24 RS, with a proprietary engine and record-breaking potential. According to data from relevant media outlets, will receive a motor of their own design. And also, he will break a certain record. We're waiting for the details and the continuation of this story in one of the following releases. Mech robots are stronger, more reliable, and more powerful than many competitors. Arm span exceeds 5 meters, lifts up to 60 kilograms, and has a 10-year mean time between failures. LG Signature OLED T. LG's transparent wireless 4K OLED TV is now available. Price: $60,000. Mudra Development Kit. Weeble Devices created a bracelet that uses neural networks to adapt gestures for controlling gadgets. They went further and introduced a developer kit. With it, the bracelet's features can easily integrate with Windows, iOS, and other systems, and be adapted, for example, to the Unity engine. The RF10C is a portable LED video light, perfect for shooting stories and reels. It offers 4 colors and 20 filters for all types of content. A full battery lasts for 3 hours. Price: $53. Loop 3D is the world's first desktop 3D printer, capable of recycling plastic print waste into new filament. It's ready to use right out of the box and supports PLA, ABS, and PETG plastics. The floating piers. In 2016, Italy's Lake Iseo was transformed by the project The Floating Piers. A floating structure made of 100,000 square meters of fabric and 220,000 polymer cubes was installed. A 3-kilometer-long walkway led to it, and along with a small island, it created a bright and memorable work of art. After 16 days, it was dismantled, and the cubes and fabric were sent for recycling. Right Track Systems produces tracks that allow ordinary trucks, loaders, and other wheeled vehicles to traverse obstacles almost like tanks. This upgrade also protects tires and makes them 5 times stronger. Samsung Bally. Bally is a versatile companion robot from Samsung. It was first announced 5 years ago, but will only be released this year. According to presentations, it can show movies, search the web, play music, and control smart devices. Which features would be useful to you? Share your thoughts in the comments. The Mosa AI Robo Hands Massager imitates human hand movements, works with a hot compress, is compatible with essential oils, and adjusts massage intensity using AI algorithms. Price: $192. The Escalator Stair Trainer is designed for cardio enthusiasts. The bronze GMC 1000 XM Pro Turbo model is recommended for gyms and costs $6,000. It can support up to 180 kilograms and is adjustable from 14 to 140 steps per minute. Give it a like if, instead of this trainer, you face a daily staircase at home with arms full of grocery bags.